Hey there, toe tappers and hand clappers, and welcome back to Buzzword, the show where knowing the word is the whole reward. Who's ready to rumble?
Oh, I'm ready.
Newton?
Yeah, I guess.
Fantastic! Let's get rolling. Jennybit, I'm going to whisper the buzzword in your ear, and you'll try to get Newton to guess what it is without saying the word itself. Ready? Let's do this. The buzzword is feet.
Okay, Newton. This is a unit of measurement.
Inches?
You have 2 of them on your body.
Arms?
That's okay, Newton. You've got more guesses ahead.
Where do you wear your shoes?
On my feet! On my feet! It's feet!
Great job, Newton!
Yeah!
Are you ready for the bonus question?
Whew, sure am.
Newton, how many bones are in a human foot?
I know this! 26! And over 100 muscles.
That's right, Newton!
Yes!
Humans have 206 bones, and 26 of them are in each foot.
How did you know that? I mean, who knows that much about their feet? I'm so impressed, and I'm so glad you're my partner, but my uncle, and he ended up losing.
Thanks so much for joining us, friends. We'll see you next time on Buzzwords.